Hi, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. It is Catherine. That must be Open House Saturday. Just wanted to invite you guys to an open house I'm holding today in the Longview community. Longview community is located between I-25 and Longmont, County Line Road and I-25. It's just 3.5 miles east of Longmont and then about 3 miles west of I-25. Easy commute to Longmont, Boulder, I-25, Highway 119, Highway 52. Lots of amenities, newer amenities are in and around that community. Got lots of shopping, bus stops, and such. Anyways, this house is on the market for $129,000. It has recently been remodeled, very nicely done. Kitchen, separate dining room, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath. So if you want to see what the Longview community has to offer, stop by. It is Saturday today, like I said. I'll be there from 11 to 1, and I hope to see you. And always remember that I like coffee. So if you come out to visit me, bring me a cup of coffee. Have a great Saturday.